With the damp-proof membrane laid and our very edge joists down already in place to secure it, we can now start thinking about positioning the rest of the floor joists on top of the damp-proof membrane. To position the floor joists correctly, I'm going to use some of the floorboards to help me align and position where they need to go. This will vary depending on which building you're installing, but generally the rule is there must be a joist underneath every single joint on the floorboards, and also there must not be a gap in between floor joists any greater than 400 millimeters. I've now gone through the entire floor, ensuring that none of the gaps in between the floor joists are over 400 millimeters. In some cases, joists will appear quite close together, closer than they should be. However, this is just the way it is to ensure the correct spacing is met.